Hey everybody, so today I'm going to be showing you how to wax your eyebrows at home all on your own. I started waxing like a couple years ago on my own because like every time I went to the salon to do it, they always wax them too thin and I didn't like that. Like I know my eyebrows are sparse, but they don't need to be thin too. So I just decided to wax them myself and I like it now because it's cheaper and I'm more happy with my eyebrows too. So I hope you guys are more happy with your brows when you do it on your own if you try it out. So if you want to learn how to do so, just keep on watching. So the product that I use to wax my eyebrows is this Sally Hansen eyebrow lip face wax kit. It looks like this. It's only like $8 at Walmart. You can get it from the drugstore. And so it's pretty affordable. So the amount you pay for doing your eyebrow one time, you can do it multiple times with this. And you can get the shape that you want better. So the main thing that's in here is the wax. It looks like this. And I've used this already, so it's kind of used. But yeah, the wax looks like that, and it's microwavable, so you don't have to get one of those fancy heaters things or whatever. Just put it in the microwave for like 90 seconds. And then it also comes with like this stick to like actually put the wax on. Comes with this, it's called Extra Smooth Aftercare Lotion. Like that. Yeah, I use it sometimes. Like, it doesn't really burn my eyebrows or irritates me, so I don't really need to use it, but I put it on afterwards anyway sometimes. And then it comes with some other things, but I don't use them. It comes with like this guide, so if you want to do the eyebrow shapes they have, you can use that. And also this like spatula to see when it's ready, but like I don't use it, so I don't know where it is. So I'm just going to go warm this up in the microwave for about a minute until it's a loose consistency. So I'll be right back. So I actually had to warm it up for like a minute and 30 seconds, and I'm trying to show you guys without spilling it. So that's the consistency. It's liquidy. And so basically what you want to do is, actually let me bring you guys in closer. Okay, I'm sorry I'm like all in your face and stuff, but I just want to show you guys what I'm doing. And sorry that the lighting has changed, like I'm using natural light and the clouds have passed. But anyway, I'm just brushing up my brows. And so basically you're just gonna like follow the line of like where you fill in your brows, like when you're gonna outline your brows. If it helps, you can just fill in your brows but not use concealer and just follow that line and see any stray hairs. Like I don't know if you guys can see it on camera, like these are my stray hairs here, like in this area. So I'm just gonna like wax that off. But yeah, so I'm just taking like a little bit. You want to make sure it's not gonna hurt you, so it's like this type of consistency. Yeah, make sure you don't have too much on the little stick. And I'm just gonna just follow the natural arch of my brow. And once again, like my eyebrow tutorial, whatever I do to one side, I'm doing to the other so I don't mess up. And so while these are kind of setting in, like cooling down so I can rip them off, I do this part in the middle. So and you want to follow the direction of where the hairs lay. So the hairs are growing this way, so I'm gonna place the wax in that direction and then I'm gonna rip it off in the other direction. So put it this way, rip it off this way. I'm putting it this way, I'm gonna rip it off the other direction. And I like to do little sections at a time, so I'm not going to do the whole brow at once because I just want to make sure I do this section correctly, rip it off. If I need to go in a little more, I can. But then after I rip off this section, I'm going to go in underneath my brow instead of in the arch. So I think this is good. Once it's hard, you know it's ready to take off. So I just peel off a small corner and I rip it off hard as I can. There's little hairs. Going to go in the middle. You also want to make sure that your face isn't oily when you do this, because then like you're not going to get as much hair off as you want. So you want to make sure that you like maybe use an alcohol wipe or something, and so it's oil free, so the wax can stick to your hairs better. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, your face gets a little red, but it's okay, it goes away. You don't want to get too close to your brow, because if you rip it off, then ooh. I am ready to take it off. Take up the end, peel up a little bit of the end, then rip. So then you have like some little bits that didn't come off. You can just take them off yourself. They're not gonna rip off too much hair. Yeah, that's the hair that it picked up. I don't know if that's gross to show you guys, but I just wanted to show you that it actually does pick up the hair. See? Yeah. I'm going to take my tweezer. I'm just taking a normal tweezer. This one's from Revlon. I really like it. It's slanted. It's whatever. So yeah, I just take it and like, I don't know if you guys can see like this little one here. So I'm just gonna like tweeze the straight ones basically. You also want to make sure that your eyebrows aren't slippery for this, because it's gonna be hard to grip with the tweezer if they are. So I'm just covering my stuff back up, and there's still some left. I can still use this like probably like at least one more time. So you can get like at least 5 uses out of this, because you're really not using this whole jar to wax your eyebrow. And this, what's in here right now, is less than half of it. Like the jar comes into like around here, and like what's in there is like here. So it lasts a while, especially since you're not waxing your eyebrows like every week. I mean, unless you are. So now I'm just taking this extra soothe aftercare lotion that they have in the bottle, just to make sure that my eyes aren't too irritated from doing this waxing. I just put it over my eyebrow, honestly. Alright. And you know me, I always brush them up because I like to. So that is how I wax my eyebrows by myself at home, and I hope it was helpful for you if you were trying to wax your eyebrows at home too. I know it can seem overwhelming because you don't want to mess up, because those are your eyebrows, and if you rip it off it's like all over or whatever. But it's okay if you just take your time, and like if you know how to outline your eyebrows, you will know how to wax your eyebrows as well. So I hope this was helpful for you, and that you learned something, and that you have flawless brows all on your own and all that good stuff. So thanks for watching.